You want to learn how to cut a blunt bob on your synthetic wig?
You damn Skippy.
All right, I'm about to show you how. Let's go.
Go, sis.
Okay, get you a measuring tape and pin it at the top of the mannequin and measure how long you want your bob. I'm doing 11 inches right here. Get your clipper
A clipper.
and you're going to hold the back so can you hold it in place. All right, get you a barber comb. Make the line as straight as possible as you're cutting the hair from the top through to the other end. All right. The barber comb is going to help you stay in place and keep the line straight. Okay.
You might as well go to the barber shop for this.
Okay. Turn the mannequin to the other side and measure it again from top to bottom. I could have just went around the head as far as like going on one side and go around to the other side, but I stopped so I can do the other side the same exact way to keep me in order. Okay. So be careful while you're cutting it because you don't want to mess up because once you cut it, that's it.
Oh no, I don't want no bald spots in my wig.
Okay, now it's time to connect the dots. All right, now sometimes you might get it a little off. So once you cut one side, go to the other side and just keep alternating from side to side like you see right here. Even if you don't get all the hairs that's underneath the guideline, you can always go back once you get that main frame and then go back and perfect it and, give it some finishing touches.
This thing ain't even.
Like I said, don't worry about if it's even or not. Just do the best you can for the main frame. You see how right here I kind of had to make it go up a little bit. Make sure you just get the main frame. Try to do your best. And then go back, like I was saying right here, and do your finishing touches. You got it?
Oh, okay, I got it. But why her head down this time?
When you do the finishing touches, make sure you put her head down so you can see where to go. All right? Now you're done. Follow me for more.
And I will. Thank you, girl.